Hey guys, and we did our last video again, and now we decided to make a new video of a cooking competition against me and Hari.
I'm not participating in this competition right now because I'm the judge.
Yeah, so we are making any dish we want out of the household materials. We have very low materials, and we don't have any. We can't purchase any extra materials. Thus, we have to make anything out of our house. I'm making a popsicle and juice.
I mean, he's making a rose milkshake and a popsicle. Like he's going on a full desert side, and we have our boy Hari here. He's making a mini pizza. He looks like a ghost here. Yep, he's making a mini pizza, and he's trying to make the base for it. I think you gotta put more atta to it.
More water.
And oh yeah, put little. Wait, I put yeah. Okay, I'm on team Hari right now. So he's making a mix it like that. You're gonna just press it. I think you're gonna add more atta.
More.
Give me your hand. Of course, you gotta add like little more, like 1 spoon more. Let's see what Rithul is doing here. He has got chocolate chip, bro. Chocolate chip. Focus. He's got chocolate chip. Popsicle with chocolate chip only.
Well, I don't think I'm gonna make I'm gonna make the popsicle, but not with the chocolate chips. I'm gonna make it with the rose milk, and the chocolate chips is gonna be my juice.
For your juice? What juice?
The juice.
Oh, the rose milkshake juice, right? Okay, now I get it. You're making a
Chocolate juice and
popsicle using your rose milkshake.
Yep, and this has been in the fridge for a very long time, and it's like frozen. Just look, it's not coming down at all.
Frozen, so yeah, let's leave Rithul for now. Let's see the struggles of our boy.
I need more water.
Move, take your hand. You gotta put more atta, bro.
Bro, there's some atta on the bottom.
I know, but you need more.
He's making a mini pizza, not a large pizza.
Still, just keep mixing it. I'll pour water.
I think that's enough.
Yeah, just mix it fully. Yeah. And look, the Indian hacks used by.
Shut up. Get out of here.
Okay. He's make the popsicle, and you know the good thing, I get to taste all of these because I'm the judge. Struggles of our boy.
Go away.
No, just we gotta see you doing it, bro. Come on.
Bro,
Hey, no, mix it properly, bro. Hey, mix it properly means like that.
Oh.
Like that. Yeah, it gotta be mixed properly. Okay, we have wine glasses coming. Just joking, it's juice glass. It's a glass. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll just try to put my lens inside it. Okay, you're guessing what is that? That's our GoPros, that thing here. The fight's going on for cheese. But we have some cheese left over here for the pizza. And a lot of progression has happened right here. He had made the base for the chocolate milkshake or something, right?
It's not even half done.
It's not half done, but yeah, he tried to use stuff and he made it. And here we have our boy's pizza. He's making it. His face.
I don't think you're supposed to do that. I think you're first supposed to cook it, then put it.
no.
Rithul, you're too psych, bro. It's not that way.
Dude, remember my video and what we made on that day?
This is different my recipe. Shut your mouth.
I know.
Where's your knife?
Original recipe, bro.
Where's your knife? Hey!
Here.
That looks like poop on something, but yeah, let's just move on into this. This is called the kitchen challenge, bro. Yes, let me chill out here for a while. Rithul should not notice me. He's looking from there. Chocolate chip's mine. He can hear me. He's not looking. Let's go for it.
I'm making poison.
He's making poison, he just told.
Is it recording?
Yes, it is recording, look.
Shut up, I'm not making poison.
Okay? You guys mostly won't meet me after this because I'm gonna die.
Why did you die so early?
Because you're making poison.
Not making poison, but I don't know whether it's poison or not at all.
Yeah, that looks burnt, but it looks cool. I mean,
Wait till it's pizza sauce.
yeah.
That's the problem.
Wait, I have an idea. Wait. Hold the camera.
How can I hold it?
Put it here. You go 2 steps back. Learn from the master.
Yes, that's enough.
Learn
Thank
from
you.
the master chef.
Thank you. Please take the camera.
Okay, just got start to chef.
Still recording?
Yep.
So you guys heard? That's all.
Everything is recorded, Ritul. You're exposed today.
Yeah, I'm not interested in hiding my face.
But you're exposed. What you're talking, making poison to. Yeah, so that's all. We just put some cheese and bake it.
Yeah.
I'm not making poison for the last time.
Comedy.
At least I'm not trying to.
That's your dad.
Huh?
What is this thing?
That thing. He tell he won't have it. I cut it with my hand. That's what he's going to tell. Wait. I'll teach you the professional way to spread it. Hold this.
Oh my god.
See, hold this. The professional way.
Good.
You do it personal
I'm
way,
dark,
okay?
as sweet.
I'll show you how it's done in professional way, okay?
Let's find out.
You hold it like this. On
Since when?
top.
I thought you never. I
On
thought
top
you
of
didn't
the pizza.
know how to cook and you only were good at eating, so you're not participating in the
It
competition.
was told by Hari, not by me.
Hey.
Yeah, but you're. Then why are you not participating in the competition?
Because we need a cameraman, that's me. And a judge who's not biased.
Who's not bought even?
Biased there. What are you talking about?
What's the difference between biased and bought?
Yup, and that's the professional way. Learn.
That's not that much cheese.
But you gotta put it like that.
Got it.
Now the pizza shape comes. You gotta put some veggies on it, I guess. What are you gonna put on it, bro?
We have to find out.
And we have our boy right here plating his milkshake in a glass. Okay, he has a lot extra there. Get the spoon, I'll teach you the professionalist way.
No! I don't want to be the professionalist way. Even though I'm part of Cooking Show Ritul.
Bro, I'll tell you, get the spoon.
No!
I'll show you, just remove that jug.
That's what I'm doing. What do you expect?
No, you're not
You
doing
make
it.
this.
No, you're not
Don't
doing
tell me
it.
the recipe. You're not supposed to help anyone, but you are helping. So,
It's a problem.
Yup.
Oh.
Bro, helping is not a problem, dude. And see, I'm going to judge you on 3 things. How it looks, how it tastes, and your creativity in the dish. 3 things, okay?
I know that's why I'm trying to make it as cute as possible.
Creative as possible. And cute. If it's not cute, also marks will be cut, bro.
What's the total marks?
20,
Hey.
30,
Hey,
40.
You mean 10.
No, 40, yeah,
People
10.
rated 1 out of 10, out of 10, dude, not out of 20 or 30.
It looks good, let's move on. Let's do vlogging, boys, vlogging. I am vlogging, I am a vlogger. That's called mess.
Oh yeah, I have to find
That's called a mess, bro. That's called a mess. That's called a mess. And I'm not going to clean it because he only told I should not help.
Shut up!
And I'm not going to clean
Get
it.
out! Get out!
I'm not going to clean it because I'm not cooking.
I'm pretty sure I'm not even asking you to be here.
Look at that hair, bro. Look at that.
Wait, no. How can you critique?
How can you even see, bro? Wait.
I can. Bastard.
You just swore.
That's not a swear word.
Okay, wait. Just come here. Let's try to put a camera inside this. Now shred. Okay, no, I don't want to spoil the lens. It's okay. Let's put a camera inside Okay, Pakka, I'm gonna put this GoPro inside the oven for a time lapse.
It would burn! And I would kill you!
Yup. I just left it. I should not leave it. You can see I kept it inside the oven. And when Ari is
You
going
can
to
put it
bake
inside
it,
the washing machine, but not inside the oven.
There's a washing machine here.
Ritul bro, why you talk about clothes while we are making something to eat, bro? Ritul, why are you like this, Ritul? Ritul, why Ritul? Okay guys, take a screenshot of this and tell, is this cute? Is this cute? Okay, this is okay, I can tell, but this is not cute. This guy is cute. Lol.
But who's speaking?
Me.
Dark voice was there.
Okay, paranormal activities going on. And to inform you, it's only 3 of us in the house. You can see the silence.
You can see the silence.
I mean, you can hear the silence, bro. They can even see it, bro.
You can hear the silence.
No, they can even see it, bro.
How can you hear silence there?
It's a camera. You can see the silence. SILENCE. I think that much enough.
And we have to not
This
see
is
one
good.
spot of dirt because my parents will kill me if we don't. I think Morgan picking up that perfecting my dish.
Let's have some time lapse from here. Okay, let's see you after they progress more.
Stand there for 10 minutes.
No, I'll just keep some.
Stand.
Get me a chair though.
Hey, you need to stand there.
Okay, go get it from up there. Oh yeah, get that one, no?
It will break.
Okay, go take the from up. That's it.
Not needed, bro.
Okay.
Dude, don't keep plastic near it.
Yeah, that much. We have a problem over here. Hari just put this thing ulta so that we can't remove it. That thing you can see back, right? That thing was supposed to be in the front, but they gave me the seat to monitor. So I'm sitting here and monitoring the whole thing. So yep.
Use some tongs.
You can just remove using that. Let the pro do it.
I'll put it down.
That's what I told. Let the pro do it, right? I told you. See?
I have hot metal grill on my hand. Don't make me put it on your face.
You're scared, dude. You're scared.
Hey, wait there, let it cool down.
It just looks like noodles on top of
So what the hell is wrong with it?
Okay, that's all. No changes done here. We gotta wait till the judging. And we have a hero making pink water. So let's just wait until judging comes. So Rithul has completed his dish. The only thing I told him is garnishing should be garnished properly. Otherwise 5 marks will be gone. Look at our boy here.
You want me to add something? Which would make it taste 10 times better?
10 times?
Terrible.
Don't add that expired whipped cream with... What? No, please. If you add that, that's all. You're disqualified on spot.
Sprinkle this now.
You add that maple syrup also, I'll tell okay. But you add that, nope.
No.
And our boy's pizza is outside,
Okay,
waiting
so
for it to
are we
cool.
going to...
Our boy's pizza. It doesn't look so good though.
Aren't you done?
I know.
The freezer wearing is for me.
Hey!
If you come...
Process of Rithul's dish. We're gonna judge his milkshake right now. So present your dish, my boy. So how am I supposed to drink it or eat it? Yep, so now what? Okay, what should I do with it?
Drink or eat whatever you want to do first.
Let's check. It looks okay, but the garnish should have been more garnished properly. Let's check it out.
I'm not using professional
What is this, bro?
phone. Good or bad?
No taste in the foam.
Of course there won't be any taste in the phone. Any company you go, you won't have any taste in the phone.
It's too watery, so For the taste, I give 6 out of 10. The presentation, 7 out of 10. Creativity, 5 out of 10.
Why? It's of course supposed to be water. It's not a milkshake. It's milk.
It's just chocolate milk. It's not a milkshake.
Yes, of course.
Started.
This is my pizza.
What kind of pizza is it?
This is a margarita pizza.
That's just totally scripted. Yeah. Let's see the presentation, bro.
It's too hot that the camera is not even getting focused.
Okay, presentation 7 out of 10. It's good. How much did you get for presentation?
5.
Yay.
No, you got 5 for creativity, 6 for 7 for taste, 6
No, 5 for garnishing.
Hey, no, 5 for the creativity, bro. There's no garnishing here.
No, for this thing.
Oh yeah, then wait. Let's check whether it's cuttable. Okay, the base is it's quite hard.
Because it's cool.
Yeah. Okay. It's cutting. I'm struggling. Struggling. Okay. I need a knife. Can you get it?
Sure.
Goodbye.
That's not bad. I started cutting it. Bro! Bro!
There's something on top there.
Okay, it's just stuck to the. Okay, I present it to you to give me a slice. Take it, my child. Give it to me, my child. Just give me a slice.
Working hard on cutting one single pizza.
Okay, creativity I give him more than Rithul.
What?
Cause chocolate milk and this is
Popsicle?
pizza.
Popsicle?
That
But you are not giving it to him now.
I am.
it's not presented on time, so
So what do you expect? Freezing does not happen so fast.
I give him the.
he gave it to me on time. He gave me 10 minutes before you. And
He didn't even give you.
He's making it, bro. I mean, it's front of my eyes. Now I can eat it like a dog also.
Please.
Quick, charge is low.
It was low for me also then. Shit.
What just happened?
Nothing happened.
Yeah, just give it like that. I can lift it. Just make it like that. Then I can lift it by myself. Yeah.
Why are you giving him more creativity? Because I put chocolate chips. Nobody gives chocolate chips about chocolate milkshake.
Rithul, please stop talking. Because I'm judging one more dish right now. Okay, the base is not
Very
bad.
rude judge we have.
Yeah, the base was not set properly, but
Sorry for
check
that.
the chairs.
Presentation.
Presentation I give 6.
Same as him.
Yeah.
How?
Yeah.
It was stuck to the base.
But still.
To presentation.
Wait, taste matters the most.
Yeah.
Wait. It's good. It doesn't taste bad.
What the heck?
I'm not looking that it tastes good.
Then when did that begin? Okay, fine. I'm proud of
It
her.
tastes like you put sauce and cheese, like you're eating a margarita pizza, but on a chapati. But it's a new idea. So I give him creativity 7, bro. Now. Creativity level increases, bro, for that one.
Yes.
Oh, good. It's good, bro.
Who wins? Yeah, he got the pizza.
So creativity 6. Presentation is also no. Creativity is how much? 7.
He brought the materials from his home. He didn't get the materials from the house.
That is still good. That gives me more
better.
points.
Okay. Creativity is 7. Presentation is 6. Time to the test. It's also 7. What's your scores? 5, 6, and 7, right?
Yeah.
Yours is 6, 7, 7.
Yeah.
What are your scores and bring it to me? What's your score, dude? Don't tell me it's bad. It's too good.
Pretty dry.
That's how beers are supposed to be.
Too cheesy.
Too cheesy.
And too saucy, too saucy.
Oh,
Too
that
soft.
can be a reason. It's little sauce extra, but yeah.
Nice. But not better than mine.